Good morning, students. We have finished our two chapters. Now we will start chapter 3, playing with numbers. First of all, we will talk about factors. Factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. In this question, 3 is the factor of 6. Why? Because 3 divide completely 6. Like this, if I have written 4 divide by 2, so 7 will come. 2 is dividing 14 completely without leaving remainder, so 2 is the factor of 14. Similarly, 3 is the factor of 6. If I have written 27 divide by 6, in table of 6, 27 will not come. If we will divide it, their remainder will be left. It means 6 is not the factor of 27. Now next is multiples. A multiple of a number is the product of that number with any other integers. If we multiply any two integers, then product is the multiple. So 42 is the multiple of 6. That is multiple. If I will say, write first 3 multiples of 2. It means we will write 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. These 3 multiples 2, 4 and 6, because these numbers are coming in table of 2. So these are the multiples of 2. Important points of factor. 1 is a factor of every number. Means 1 divides completely every number. 2 divide by 1. 2 will come. 5 divide by 1. 5 will come. So 1 divides every integer or every number completely. So 1 is a factor of every number. Second, every number is a factor of itself. If you have to write the factor of 3, 3 will come in table of 1. So 1 is a factor of 3. We discussed about this. Now this 3 will come itself table also. 3 ones are 3. So 3 is the factor of 3. Every number is a factor of itself. 25 will come in table of itself also. 25 ones are 25. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Finite means लिमिट में है. हमारे पास किसी भी नंबर के फैक्टर लिमिट में होते हैं. If you have to write the factors of 6, first of all 6 will come in table of 1 and itself. These first 2 points we are covering. Now 6 will come in table of 2, 2 3 are 6, and in table of 3. Now 6 will not come in another table. There are no factors of 6. Only 4 factors are there. So there are number of factors of a given number are finite. Points of multiples. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. If you have to write the multiples of 3, so you have to write the table of 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 9, 12, 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24, 27, 30, 3 10 are 30, then 3 11 are 33. It will go further. It will go to infinite. So the numbers of a multiple of a given number is infinite. And in factor, the number of factor of a given number is finite. Multiples of a number never end. Next, every number is a multiple of itself. Means 6 ones are 6. Every number is a multiple of itself. 2 ones are 2. So 2 is a multiple of 2 itself. 6 is the multiple of 6. It means 6 is the same number of this number. Similarly, 2 is the multiple of 2. So every number is a multiple of itself. Like 15 ones are 15. 15 is the multiple of 15.